Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney in New York. Take a deep breath. Take another deep breath. These are turbulent times, and we must breathe deeply. I'm preparing a little bit of a video for the 25th Amendment. I've been reading some material, and I'll get to that. Today's topic: Medicaid gifting. Medicaid gifting. Penalty periods in Medicaid. So globally, the big picture, 1,000-foot view, if you're a millionaire, you must pay for the costs, the private pay costs of nursing home. If you're very poor, you must also pay. You don't have to pay, but you will easily qualify for Medicaid. If you're in the middle, not poor, but not a millionaire, you may have to pay. If you have some assets and want to give them away, it's not the strategy I would employ. But if today, on this day, I had, I'm going to make a simple number, $140,000 in the bank. You don't have to do this to qualify, but if I had $140,000 and I wanted to give it away, well, there is then going to be a 60-month, 5-year period of time that I would not be eligible for government benefits, or else everyone on the eve of needing a nursing home would just give away their money and then apply. The government does not allow you to do that. So if I gave my money away today, again, not legal advice, and I did not need to apply for a nursing home for more than 5 years, I could apply as a poor person. Now, during those 5 years, I would have no money. I would not have a savings. Now, I don't want to complicate the story with income and other things and other assets. But in my story, not for you to do, but if I had $140,000 today and I gave it away and I didn't need a nursing home for more than 5 years, then I could apply in 61 months, I could apply for a nursing home. Now, we don't want to do that, right? We want to be able to apply much sooner. So we use legally permissible transfers and exceptions. We use legally permissible expenses, spend down amounts as part of the strategy that we employ. But what can happen is that I give away the $140,000 today and then apply for a nursing home next month and have the government pay. That's not allowed. The government would require me to pay. They would penalize me. There's a penalty period. And the penalty period is there's a divisor. I want this video to be evergreen so you could listen to this until the laws change. The penalty is about $14,000 a month in New York. There's a daily figure. In 2021, the number is going up, but the daily figure winds up being about $14,000. And in my example, you'd be penalized for 10 months. You'd have to pay based on the date of application and the date of eligibility. Once you apply, that's when they impose the penalty. So I couldn't just give away $140,000 today and immediately apply. And I couldn't give away $140,000 today and wait 10 months and then apply for Medicaid. I could wait 10 months, but the penalty period would start when I applied in 10 months. So I would have waited 10 months, applied in 10 months, and then the penalty period would start. So that's why we don't just give away our money and try to take advantage of the penalty period. There are occasions we want to actually, on purpose, start the penalty period. We want to put money into a trust and start the penalty period so that ultimately, eventually, we can apply for Medicaid. If you want to speak to me about this type of situation, please go to frankbrunolaw.com, schedule an appointment.